Real Friends cruise ship. The item number is 5510. 2001, Geoffrey Inc., distributed by Toys R Us Inc., Paramus, New Jersey. And on the box, it says the item number, the same number, 5510, and it was $19.99. Same information of distributor. Just thought you'd like to know that. Oh, and it all requires 3 AA batteries. One is for this lamp, and the other one is for the intercom to talk to your cruise ship passengers. Welcome, passengers. I hope you enjoy your vacation. I think it goes the other way. It goes this way. Nope, it goes this way. Looking at the box. And then that goes right here. There you go. It's 2 chairs. And just there you go. Cocktails. This is the stand for the Barbie, and it goes right back here. And she stands and greets the customers and checks their tickets. It has this little fence gate thing. This one has a boo-boo. Has a crack. I think my daughter glued it with a little tape. Still works though. It's just, not brand new. That's all the parts in here. It's the captain's hat. Captain's hat. It's got 4 cocktails with straws. It's got some popcorn. It's in that bowl like that. Two pairs of sunglasses. Coconut drink and I guess a pineapple drink. It's got a visor for the stewardess that would stand right there. The set does not come with the doll, so no dolls included. A little radio, still has a sticker on it. There's the instructions, how to put it together. There's accessories, how to change the batteries. And let's see what year this is. This is 2001. Now let's close it up. Show you the other side. There we go. That there. So then that closes up. Just gonna turn it around. Got a steering wheel. I don't know if you can see that. A steering wheel right in here. And still turns. Pull the table out. This is the swimming pool. So this will shows that you could put water in here. There's the side pool. Oh, I guess this says kiddie pool. You see that? It says kiddie pool right here. I didn't even notice that. The sun deck. Watch your step. There's towels and pool supplies. This is where you change the battery for the speaker right here for the ship. The chair, this part comes off, it goes back on there. That's cute. I mean, it's got little imperfections. I mean, nothing major besides that little crack, those cracks right there. And then the door. This is cardboard, so it has a little, you know, got crushed around a little bit in the box, but it's in good shape. All you need is a Barbie, and that's it. I forgot to show you the inside, the lounge area where the couch is, and also that the manufacturer had tape on this to close for shipping. So there's a little bit of a tape discoloration right there and right here. I mean, it's not a big deal. I don't see any on the other side. So let me just open and show you the couch. There's the lounge area. It's got like the view out the window of mountains. And I guess it's a two-seater. It looks like it has like marble looking floor. And this is, you know, the deck for this is the color of the decking. This stand, the doll stand, slides and fits in there. And that's what I just wanted to show you. There is a lounge area. It's too cute. And pool area. I mean, it shows you all these windows like there's that many rooms, but you know, it's make believe. So, yeah. And the pool is really clean. There's like it's got like a tile texture to it. So it's all in really good shape. There you go. 2 thumbs up. And then you close this like that and like that. There you go. Still got all of its stickers. That's the bottom of it. Stickers are on it. Steering wheel. This doesn't come off. It's the SS Sail Away. Sail Away. Here's the box. Show you the shape of the box. It's got little, some shelfware. it was opened. See that she's standing in a stand right there. And then it's got everything except the dolls. Doesn't come with the dolls. Says dolls not included. Here's the, it shows you right there all of the stuff that comes with it, and I have everything. We're the original owners.
Thank you, passengers. Refreshments will be on the pool deck. Welcome to Real Friends Cruise Ship. Enjoy your stay.
Bon voyage! See ya! Bon voyage! So, Real Friends Cruise Ship. It's very cute, adorable.